Hi, my name is Paweł, I'm from ViewObject Poland. In this video I will show you how to use newly published objects for Komandor company. These objects contain different types of partition and movable walls, which may be used in ArchiCAD and Revit. First of all, let's try to browse for these products on a portal. To do this, I will just type in the searching field the company name, and here we have the results. So far we have 5 types of objects available on the portal. Each Komandor solution has got its own product page. Here is one of the examples. It's a partition wall named Aurora. As usual, you will find here description, specification text, but also you can find some links to the manufacturer website, link to the technical description, installation instructions, link to the YouTube video describing the functionality of this wall, related information, and finally classification according to the different standards. If you press the download button, you are able to download ArchiCAD, AutoCAD and Revit files. Please remember that ArchiCAD needs to have both LCF library and also GSM file. I will use both softwares, ArchiCAD and Revit, so let me save all the versions of the files. But it's of course up to you which version you are using and you will choose. Let me close this window, switch back to the products. Here are another solutions which we developed for Komandor company. MAW110 is a movable wall. Here is product page where we will find all details. MAW48 has got similar functionality, but it's a glass version of movable wall. And we have also 2 types of TAW walls, which are the partition walls. For more information about Komandor brand, you can visit the brand page where you will find some information, description and contact details to the manufacturer. I've already downloaded all movable walls available for Komandor company, import them into one Revit project to show their functionalities and possible configurations. As you can see, there is 12 of them, 6 types of MAW48 moving walls. This type is a fully glazed wall. There are also available different configurations, 3 parking systems with different number of the door built into the walls. One is a wall without door, one with a single door, one with 2 single doors, and one with 2 pairs of door. Similar configurations are available for MAW110 moving walls. The main difference is in the wall thickness, and this type of movable wall has a different panel, which may be full or partially glazed board. Each of the walls can be adapted to your needs. You can change its size, and the number of available panels will be automatically calculated and suggested by Revit. In this example, for 10 meters long wall, it can vary between 8 and 14 panels. Of course, if you will increase or decrease total wall width, those suggested number of panels will be also changed according to the input values. There is also a possibility of changing the wall height within the range suggested by the manufacturer. If you would like to simplify the view of the model shown in a Revit window, you can select the different level of development of those objects. This function is available by selecting the detail level icon from the bar at the bottom of Revit interface. You can choose between coarse, medium or fine quality. Functionality of movable walls equipped with a door is slightly different. Number of available panels is also automatically calculated by Revit, but you can select the desired position of the door by changing the value in a field named door position. In this case, 0 means that the doors are positioned at the end of the wall. If we, for example, will change this value, the door will be moved to the right according to the given number. It is also possible to change the opening direction of each door panel. In this case, we can select between left and right door. Each of the walls can be shown in 2 different positions. By default, the wall is unfolded, but if you will select the checkbox in the open field under the visibility section, the wall will be shown in the parking position. Let's switch it back to show the wall in the unfolded position. Another functionality is a possibility to show the clearance around the parking position. You can change it by selecting the tick in the clearance field in the visibility section. Functionality of MAW110 movable walls is similar to those from the 48 series, but there is an additional option for panel type selection. You can choose between full or partially glazed board. If you select the tick beside the full panel option in the visibility section and click apply, we will be able to see the difference. Beside the functionalities which are changing the geometries of the walls, you are able to apply different materials to the wall panels. First of all, you need to download and add to Revit libraries AddScript file containing wall finishes dedicated for Komandor company. Then you can apply this material by selecting Panel Material field in the Type Properties window. In this case, let's change it to another one, maybe Laminate Elm Gamaret. This one, yes. Click OK, confirm it OK, and here we have the result. Regarding TAW Walls series and Aurora system, on beamobject.com there are available different Revit projects, where you will find some suggested configurations and recommended materials. Those projects are divided according to the content inside. First one is showing TAW48 system, which contains partition walls with a glazing. Second one includes TAW110 system, with walls built with a board or partially glazed panels. Third one, Aurora, is a partition wall system containing fully glazed panels, designed for easy and flexible interior reconfiguration. All three systems are built as a curtain wall system families, so if you would like to use them in your project, you need to choose Transfer Project Standards option, available in the Manage tab. Then you need to select from which project you want to copy the items and check the types of the objects which should be copied. In this case, it would be curtain system types and curtain wall types. Right now we are able to start drawing our wall. We need to select curtain wall TAW48, which we imported already. Draw the outline of our example room. Here it is. And I see that some of the panels are too thin, so we need to change the vertical grid option to maximum spacing. Okay. And let's adjust the height of the wall to, let's say, 3000 millimeters. Now we will apply some mullions between the panels, so we need to choose the mullion option and select 135 degrees mullions from the menu and apply them on the corners. We have our example room, but I need to add a door to this room, so I will select one panel by clicking the panel and pressing the Tab button on the keyboard. I need to unpin this panel, and now I am able to change it to the door. I also can change the type of the handle, and let's say that I would like door with different height, so I would change it to 2400 millimeters. As you can see, this wall system is available in different qualities, so I can switch between coarse, medium and fine quality to simplify the view. If you would like to change the opening direction of the door, you need to switch the view to 2D, to level 1, and now by clicking these arrows beside the doors, you can change the direction of the opening. As you can see, the whole process is very simple. I was able to create my example room within few minutes. Beside the geometrical properties, I'm also able to change the material which is applied to the glass, so I can select between frozen and standard glass. Let's switch it to frozen and also apply the same material to the door panel. Here is our room. Thanks for watching. Bye!